Good morning, everybody. Mr. Munisi, I'm here to greet you, and then I'm here to greet anybody who support Mr. Munisi. So actually, we are not here to waste a lot of time. It's just a couple of a few minutes. Africa Asia, Mr. Munisi, ka boikokobetso hanyane ka rona kwa e bona ile monna e shwele ke maotlo. Ne ke re ne o mpotse maikutlo a hao mo setjhabeng se so fang support. How do you feel?
Lena ke thome ka dumedisa Mr. Rashoking ke dumedise le batho kaofela re tsanbonane abushele menjane, and good morning or good day to everyone. We are just here to this little chat that I wanna address to the people or to my followers. Mr. Rashoking ke leboga hle mohlomphi I khonne ba mo motseng wa hao, so o ile wa mpitsa ka rene na ha mpitsa a ke senye nako ke a fihla ke leboga Mr. Rashoking thole.
Mr. Munisi, my last issue, what can I say to you? I just wish you good luck. Don't give up, my Mr. Munisi. The more you do to satisfy the people, I think I wish you good luck. And then please respect the people who support you. Thank you so much, Mr. Munisi. I wish you good. You must have a good, enjoy your day. Actually.
Ke leboga Mr. Rashoking le lona hle bana besu ke leboga ka lerato le thego me support le ningnikeza yona. Ngithatha bonga kakhulu ngithi uNkulunkulu ngathi ngabanani nibe kahle lapho nikhona khona modimo karaka le chokofatsa le tswele pele lona le reka my music USB downloads or le ko YouTube le ko bodi TikTok Facebook. Don't forget to follow me. So ngithatha bonga kakhulu. I'd like to thank you very much for the love and support that you are showing me, that you are giving me. So ngathi uNkulunkulu anganenza kahle nibe right konke la nikhona khona. Keep on supporting me ngokuthanda music wami. Then who was I without you? So I'd like to thank you very much. And cameraman wethu uDube ngiyacabanga ngelinye ilanga ngiyophinda nimbone, kodwa kamanje siyabonga.
Siyabonga Africa.